Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 11, 2025 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 11, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, August 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 11, 2025, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 11, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 11, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.